Hi, I'm Brett Savaglio for theVJ.com, and now your video news in 60 seconds. Digiday, which is a online media company focusing on digital media and marketing, recently had a summit of publishers, and they report that 86% of publishers are looking to expand their video operation, up from 84 just in the previous year. This is good news for you as a video creator. A, they're probably looking for people to come onto staff, or B, they're also just looking for content. So whether you're looking for a job or looking to sell your video, start writing emails to those publishers, or check out the job section here on theVJ.com. Item number 2, a new startup called Skydro is developing a self-flying drone. That's right, a drone that can fly itself and follow you with a camera. There are drones on the market which have cameras which can follow you using AI, but this would be the first drone that wouldn't require any human driver, anyone with a little remote control flying the thing. Kind of scary if you ask me, but also kind of exciting. If you want to learn to produce professional quality video and make money with it, learn to sell your videos to publishers, learn to create your own online TV channel, try a 10-day free trial of theVJ.com today.
I hope you enjoyed that, and if you want to learn more and see more, come and see us at theVJ.com. Is that right?